So are you ready to go to the market?
We are. You're not close. Damn it. Get your butt over there.
I'm not going to get any closer than that.
How are we going to show the cat from hell if you're too scared to go by her?
I'm not going to do it.
Mom, are you going to go?
I don't want to be bleeding. Mom's not.
Mom, are you going to sacrifice
She's not
yourself?
going to do it to Mom.
She won't, she doesn't hiss at me.
Allie, what have I ever done to you? You scare the living daylights out of me. Allie, I have never done anything to hurt you.
Just walk close to her.
No.
Okay, I'll do it.
No.
Someone has to be brave here.
Why would you get any closer to her? She does not need to draw blood.
If it bleeds, it leads.
No.
Come over and take this.
And
No.
you don't need,
All right, okay, here.
You don't need to sacrifice yourself.
Isn't that good enough? Whoa.
See, that would have looked so good from far away.
Okay.
Here.
Is it going?
So, we're up.
Here's
Now
Pam.
I'm scared too.
We are all petrified of this
Well,
cat,
you should be.
except Mom. Oh, gee, see? She jumped right off the chair to grab her on the foot. Pam.
Don't encourage her.
Pam, that is not what you're supposed to do. And she normally,
I'm talking to her in
and
her
she
language.
normally does not do anything like that.
Well,
That one you're going to have to get rid of.